I asked Zoink for advice on nerves, and all he said was, that's it. That's what he said. And then he sent some weird meme. That's Zoink communication for you. He's the most impossible person to communicate with. Random? What? I just beat Black Blizzard by Kermal Crazy Man 50? Okay. Yo, I was like so close to I'm like, what?